Yamaha R1M. Review nearly as quick as a WSB machine. Riding a Yamaha R1M, officially known as YZF R1M, on track with sticky tires is always an event. It's comfortable at speed and hugely capable, but the 2020 model isn't a whole lot different to the previous version, which is no bad thing as the old bike was so good. Braking performance still can't match the best of its European rivals, but that didn't stop Alex Lowe's setting a 1 minute and 43.9 seconds lap of Jerez. Riding a standard R1M on slicks at the launch, he said he could go even faster, that's 3 seconds off his WSB race pace. Modern superbikes really are better than we mortals. Ride quality and brakes. Like the stock R1, the M's chassis remains the same, but the electronic semi-active Alliance TTX36 rear shock features the Swedish firm's next-generation valving, and its new NPXEC gas forks are less prone to cavitation, producing tiny bubbles, offering more consistent damping under hard use. A combination of its plush Alliance racing slicks, the motor's strangely vibe-free character, and a recently surfaced Jerez gives the surreal impression you're riding on velvet the second you leave pit lane, and it keeps on getting better the faster you go. Engine. With 4 power-sapping cats stuck in the Yamaha's new exhaust system to meet Euro 5 regs, Yamaha has extensively worked on its crossplane crank motor, just for it to make the same 197 brake horsepower and 83 ft-lb of torque. It's a top-to-bottom overhaul, a reworked cylinder head, finger follower rocker arm, throttle bodies, 10-hole injectors, crank and oil system. Swap the pipe for a free-flowing racing system and all that work will add up to more power, which will be good news for the bulk of riders who'll buy the R1M for the track. Reliability and build quality. MCN readers have given this generation R1 nothing but glowing 5-star reviews, so there shouldn't be any problems with the engine, chassis or electronics on this model. We've got no Yamaha R1M owners reviews on the site, leave one here, but the previous version scored the full 5 stars. Value versus rivals. Mixing with superbike royalty, the beautiful R1M wasn't cheap when it was launched, costing more than the M package BMW S1000RR, Aprilia RS V4 1100 factory and base Ducati Panigale V4, all extremely capable sports bikes in their own right. In early 2022, the Yamaha R1M price had gone up to £23,000, and this track-focused animal gained new opposition. Since launch, BMW have introduced the hardcore £31,000 M1000RR, and the Aprilia RS V4 factory was also updated and renamed in 21, costing exactly the same as the R1M. With that in mind, for dedicated circuit work we'd recommend going for the base R1, and spend the change on suspension, tires and lots of sunny track days. Equipment. The R1M gets the same engine overhaul, chassis, styling and electronics tweaks as the R1, and as has been the tradition for this special online order-only machine since 2015, it's dripping with goodies: semi-active Alliance suspension, carbon bodywork, a polished tank and swing arm, a wider 200-section rear tire, a data logger and a Yamaha Racing Experience Day. You can also download an app that lets you set the R1M's electronics, which now works on a smartphone as well as a tablet.